Hello, friends. This is Roxanne from the Make Art Studio, and welcome. So, if you're like me and you attend these conferences, which requires a lot of printing and cutting out, you kind of get bogged down and you think you have a lot of time, and all of a sudden it's October 16th and you're in the conference and you're not ready. And so, what I decided to do this year was to create some planner stickers, yes, and put it all through my planner from September all the way to October 16th. And what I did was I created a schedule of things to do, which I cut out and I stuck on every week, so it's kind of like a week before, 2 weeks before, 3 weeks before, and so on and so forth. That's all there for you in this kit. And this kit is actually really discounted. And there are lots of pretty dolls, different sizes. And of course, the schedule is in 2 different sizes if you want it to be smaller, if you want it to be really large. And the artwork is also in 2 different sizes for if you have that big happy planner or if you have like a small planner like I do. And it's really simple. All I did was I put a piece of artwork on every page from September to October 16th. And then somewhere around November 10th, because I want to remember that I have stuff to do. We always have stuff to do. We are never finished. So that every time I turn in my planner, I will have a remembrance that, the conference is coming. What do I have to do? And so here's my flip through right now. You can see, let me just zoom in right here. That is the schedule that I created. It's a generic schedule. You can read it. If you need to change things, definitely feel free to write it in your planner. And these are all the pages from September to October 16th. And you would see October 16th is coming and it's going to look so cute. Here it is right there. So that is the time that our conference is going to be happening. And I did a little bit more planning for after the conference, and that's it.